In this video, we'll look at a specific use case for the JSON Table macro. In our example, we have a Confluence page that shows a live view of an engineering team's workstream. Data is aggregated automatically from build artifacts to provide transparency across the department. And behind the scenes, we have a JSON file working for us. Let's take a look at how we created this table. To begin, insert the JSON Table macro. Now, let's work through each of the configuration tabs, starting with the source. In this example, we have a JSON file attached to our Confluence page. So we're using the attachment method with a caret and then the name of the JSON file. However, we could also enter the file's URL so that we have an automatic connection to the data source. Next, in the Structure and Data tab, we use the Path to Fields to be included option to reorder the column headings in the table. Note, make sure the field names entered here match your JSON file exactly. Field names are case sensitive, and if you enter one incorrectly, data won't display for that column. Next, in the Sort and Filter tab, turn on Enable Column Sorting, Display Data Filter, Show Sort icon, and retain row style order after sorting. Then, in the Style tab, we'll enable heading attributes and row highlighting on mouse over. Also, note that you can use CSS in both the row and column styles to spruce up your table or make certain attributes stand out to the viewer. Finally, let's turn on the option to allow downloads and export. Okay, we're all set. Save the table and let's take a look. Our JSON data displays, and we can sort by any column, filter by at-risk projects, or quickly download the table. However, let's try to sort by one of our numeric columns, for example, progress. Notice that we're not seeing the expected results. This is because we need to define the data type for each column. Edit the JSON table and open the Structure and Data tab. Scroll down to Column Types and enter a data type for each column, separated by commas. S represents a string, and I represents an integer. Save the change. Now, sorting by bugs or progress works just how we would expect. In short, the JSON Table macro turns Confluence from a static document into a live data portal. By connecting directly to your build artifacts or API exports, you eliminate manual reporting and ensure your team is always working from a single source of truth. No more outdated tables, just clean, interactive, and automated data.